Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So this video is all about a fun week in my life. Good evening guys. So just look at the sky. It's just so pretty that I couldn't take off my eyes. Also my friend shared some of the photos because nowadays I'm really obsessed with the nature. And here I'm packing some eatables to send to my siblings' place because you know when you are far away from home, you just miss the home dishes. Guys, the guava and all the vegetables here is from our garden. Hi guys, so today I got ready a little early than my mom. So yes, here I'm waiting for my mom. So guys, do you know where are we going? Well, we are going to temple for the Rath Yatra Puja. As far as I know, all the villagers gather up together at the temple and then the prasad distribution will be held. After which, all of us together we eat khichdi with water. So yes, that's all I know. Guys, look at this pretty sunset and my mom's also all ready now. So enough with my photo and video session. So yes, meet you guys here at the temple. So yes guys, now I'm at the temple and today also I help in the distribution of water. Now I'm back guys and here's my mom and grandmom having mangoes. Another day in the same vlog. So yes guys, good morning. So today I've decided to make a guava shake since I have lot of guavas in my garden. So here I'm taking the guava and this is the method that I used to make the guava shake. After having my guava shake, here I am feeling fresh, applying sunscreen all over my face and look at this cat guys, he's so cute. Here look at my crochet, the front pattern is almost done but a lot of work is still remaining. And then I got this notice, this is for those who have biometric issue in the NRC and those who cannot make Aadhaar card. So yes, that's it for today. Bye guys, see you in the next video.